What we have here is a situation where the governor is inept, inexperienced, and is now open to all kinds of advice, including from people who want to benefit from the system. So we are calling on the national president of NOLGE to call his members in Rivers State to order. We are also calling local government council officials, staff, to refrain from any protest that their greedy leaders are going to drag them into. We are also aware that this illegal caretaker committee, as constituted by the governor, has gone ahead to make all kinds of announcements, including dissolution of standing committees have been appointed by us. All of those committees are still intact. We have enjoined our appointees to continue to discharge the functions I've given them by those who are democratically elected, those whom they've given their mandates. The issues are at various levels of court. As law-abiding citizens, we are going to await all that the courts will say. So we are not going to allow the police to be blackmailed. What the Nigerian police, albeit that they have stopped us from accessing our councils to discharge our civic obligations. Well, but we are happy with the police. We welcome what the Inspector General of Police has done in order to avert any further breakdown of law and order.